Ritika, you are from. I think we talked earlier. You are from which state?
I am from Haryana, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. You are from Haryana, and can you tell about yourself?
Yes, sir. I am C. Ritika Virmani. I have cleared my CA final exams in May 2018. Presently, I am working with Indian Institute of Management, Rohtak, on the payroll of a CA firm, and where I am handling all the statutory compliances relating to TDS, GST, NPS. And prior to this, I was working with the CA firm in New Delhi.
अच्छा, अभी आप इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में काम करते हैं?
हाँ जी सर.
अच्छा,
Yes.
आपका रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है? मेन रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है?
Responsibilities are on a daily basis. तो जो थर्ड पार्टी पेमेंट्स होते हैं, प्रोसेसिंग दोज पेमेंट्स and salary related compliances, income tax computation on salaries, and GST preparation of GST computation sheets. And I'm a member of investment committee also, where we have to decide the funds where are to be doing invested.
Very good. अच्छा, आप अभी you are only very young. 2018 only you have passed chartered accountancy.
Yes, sir.
And how do you think you can manage such a big company like Food Corporation of India?
Yes, sir, I believe I can manage it. It's just the accountability and responsibility which makes anyone eligible to handle those things.
Can you elaborate what makes you think that you'll be able to rise up to the occasion?
Okay, so apart from my professional qualification, my experience from the relevant field, my adaptability to new working culture, and my commitment towards my work will make me eligible to handle those responsibilities for the post of manager accounts.
Achha, achha. Good, good, good. So, what is it that you studied in chartered accountancy?
I studied all the subjects as strategic financial management.
No, I know you would have studied so many things in chartered accountancy. So when such a question is asked, you tell those areas with which you are very familiar or where you have scored more marks.
Okay, sir. Okay. So I would say costing, advanced management accounting, and financial reporting.
Okay. Financial management and
advanced management accounting.
Advanced management accounting. Acha, can you elaborate what do you explain by advanced management accounting?
So advanced management accounting is basically a costing subject where we are told about standard cost, estimating the cost of production and budgeting things accordingly, and preparation of budgets. Suppose we are working in a manufacturing concern, what should be the cost of material, what should be the cost of labor, and what are the expected overheads, so that the company can calculate the selling price of the product according to the cost and the profit estimation.
Okay. Now you said you are working in charge of some GST and all that in your present assignment.
Yes, sir.
What is the setup in which you are now working? How many people are above you in the account section? How many people are along with you or below you in the account section?
So 3 are below me, 1 is along me, and 1 is above me.
There is a person above you.
Yes, sir.
He is also a chartered accountant.
Yes, he's very experienced chartered accountant.
Very experienced chartered accountant. Good, 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 excellent. So chartered accountants play a very important role in our nation's accounting. Please elaborate. हेलो अच्छा आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं और अंग्रेजी में भी बोल सकते हैं, जैसे वो लोग पूछ रहे हैं ऐसा आंसर कर दीजिए, बिकॉज आप तो यू आर वेरी गुड इन इंग्लिश, लेकिन इतना अच्छा होने से तो उधर का आदमी का पसंद नहीं होगा. नॉर्मली नॉर्थ इंडिया अंग्रेजी दे डोंट डिसलाइक, एट द सेम टाइम दे डोंट प्रेफर सो मच. यू नो इट बिकॉज यू आर लिविंग देयर.
हाँ जी सर.
सो अच्छा, आप जैसे सुविधा ऐसे कर लीजिए. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स कैसे अच्छा रोल्स प्ले कर रहे हैं इसका बारे में बताइए.
So the way they said, doctors manage your health and chartered accountants manage your wealth. So talking about wealth management, the portfolio assigned, the consultancy services chartered accountants are providing, and the tax management thing.
Now, supposing, can we think of a situation that there is no need for chartered accountants? Why do we need chartered accountant? अभी हम बोलते हैं अरे there is no need for chartered accountant, बट लेकिन अब तो उसको मना करना है, इसके लिए काउंटर करना है. कैसे काउंटर करेंगे बताइए.
So for managing any business, professional knowledge is required. So a person who is professionally equipped with that knowledge is chartered accountant. If you are running a business, you need to manage your cost. You have to earn profit. So for that, chartered accountant is the perfect person who has knowledge of all the relevant fields.
Good. Can you elaborate what are the duties, functions, responsibilities of normally of a chartered accountant?
Duties, so sir, accountability.
Duties, functions, responsibilities, or whatever way it is.
Okay.
What is the role? The role of a chartered accountant can cover many aspects of finance work, such as undertaking financial audits, continuous management of financial systems and budgets, providing financial advice, preparing financial management reports, including financial planning and forecasting, advising on tax and treasury issues, negotiating terms with suppliers, liaising with internal and external auditors, and dealing with any financial irregularities as they arise, producing reports and recommendations following internal audits, preparing financial statements including monthly and annual accounts. In public practice, tasks carried out chartered accountant liaising with clients, reviewing companies' systems, analyzing risk, performing tests, advising clients likewise. Same thing, whatever I have told you earlier. ये एक बार आप try कर लीजिए. What is the role of chartered accountants?
Okay, so first and foremost role is preparation of financial accounts on a periodical basis, providing consultancy services, tax management, and undertaking financial audits, and handling income tax or scrutiny cases, portfolio management, and what else?
Advising on tax
and treasury issues.
Yeah, treasury issues. Preparing financial statements including monthly and annual accounts. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. ठीक है.
Very good. What is a welfare trust?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know? Welfare trust. Because in the website of FCI, I find under finance and accounts, they have given DCPS and welfare trust.
Maybe it is related where the NPS is deposited.
No, here they have given us defined contribution pension scheme.
Yes, I think it is the same because commonly the government employees NPS is deducted from their salary. So I think FCI has a separate trust. Otherwise, it is
separate welfare trust.
To deposit the NPS, which is deducted from employee salary, and employee's contribution is deposited in that fund.
Yeah. Under DCPS, corporation contributes 10% and the employee contributes 2% of basic pay and dearness allowance.
Okay.
The employee have the option to contribute more, subject to a maximum of 25% of basic pay and DA. Okay. At present, the scheme is being managed by LIC. On superannuation separation, the members of the scheme are entitled to get a pension in the form of annuity against the corpus accumulated in their account. The employees have the option to choose the annuity provider among those listed by NPS. What is NPS?
NPS is National Pension Scheme.
Yeah. I think you are also a member of that.
No, sir, I'm not, because I'm not in a government job, sir. Actually, I'm on a payroll of a CA firm.
Acha. You are working for a CA firm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's right. Very good, very good. That's right. Correct. Then they have written about post-retirement medical scheme and all that. Then under finance, this is what they are given. Yeah. Did you go through the balance sheet of our FCI?
Yes, sir, I have seen it.
Can you tell me what is the authorized capital or paid up capital?
Authorized capital is in 3,50,000 lakhs, and authorized capital is 3,50,000
lakhs or crores?
Lakhs.
No, everything is in crore, Baba. FCI is fully owned by Government of India. Authorized capital is 10,000 crore. Authorized capital. Being a trading corporation, major capital.
No, so 10,000 to initially thi. Ab to uski authorized capital.
Now I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 10, 100, 10,000 laksham. Now 1 lakh crore. Now 1 lakh crore as on March 31, 2020, it is given as 5,507.83 crore. 5,507.83 crore. I find it here.
Because I have seen it in the annual report of 1819. So there it was stated the authorized capital is 3,50,000 lakhs and the subscribed and paid up capital is 3,44,000.
You are right. In 2018, it was like that.
Okay.
3,500 crores. Maybe you just see the website again and try to understand it properly. Okay. I am telling this from fci.gov.in, finances.php. It was 3,500. Now it has been revised to 1, 10, 100,
sorry, I haven't updated.
Yeah, thoda dekh लीजिए. Okay, 1, 10, 100, 10,000 crores.
10,000 crores.
And now out of that, the say total
subscribed and paid up capital.
Yeah, paid up capital. That's what I am saying. It is paid up capital as on 31st of March 2020 is 5507.83. 5507.83, and its total outstanding debt position is again in crore 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 laksham 3,69,751 crore. They have borrowed from cash credit limit. They have borrowed through Government of India guaranteed bonds. They have borrowed from National Savings Fund loans. They have borrowed from ways and means advances. They have also borrowed from short-term loans. All put together as on 31, this figure is as on 31/10 itself. 31/10/20, 3,69,751.88 crores.
Okay, sir, noted.
So thoda ye sabko dekh lijiye. And they have given some bonds also. Yeah, they have given details of those things. Good. Now tell me, as a chartered accountant, how you are going to help FCI.
I'll handle all the responsibilities which will be assigned to the manager accounts, including the statutory compliances, all related to TDS, income tax or GST, and processing of third-party bills.
Good. Now tell me, what is GST?
GST is goods and services tax. All the various indirect taxes previously, including VAT, excise duty, were merged to form a single tax, that one nation, one tax, GST. And continues, there are several amendments in GST also. They are making, there are several returns. GST are one which can be furnished on quarterly or monthly basis depending upon your turnover. GST are 3B, through which we have to pay our GST liability. And GSTR 2A is the ITC statement, which is auto-populated.
Good. Now let us come to FCI. What is FCI? Tell me.
Okay, Food Corporation of India is established under the FCI Act 1964, and its headquarters is located in New Delhi. It has, I think, various regional. It has six zonal offices and 25 regional offices, and under those regional offices there are several district offices. The objective of Food Corporation of India is to provide remuneration, reasonable remuneration to the farmers, and to provide public and to support the public distribution system, protecting the vulnerable and weaker section of the society, and to ensure that there is sufficient operational and buffer stock of grains, food grains.
Good. That's good. That's good. Nicely told. Now, what is the mission, vision of FCI?
Vision will include providing MSP to the farmers from the crops which are procured from them, and providing the food grains to the weaker section of the society at reasonable prices, the prices which are defined, I think, under the NFSA at rupees 3, 4, 5 respectively for wheat, rice, and coarse grains. And to maintain buffer stock to ensure food security and maintaining price stability.
Yeah, vision and mission, as you said rightly, efficient procurement and minimum support price, storage, distribution of food grains, ensuring availability of food grains and sugar through appropriate policy instrument, making food grains accessible at reasonable prices. That is mission. Vision is only one line. Ensuring food security for citizens of the country.
Okay.
Can you please repeat? It is given in our website only. Vision. What is vision? Ensuring food security for citizens of the country. बताइए.
Ensuring food security for the citizens of the nation.
Of the country. Country बताइए. Why do you change it?
Of the country.
इधर में जो दिया है ये बोलने से बढ़िया होता है.
ठीक है.
अच्छा मिशन क्या है जी?
Mission procurement of food grains at MSP and ensuring availability of food grains, and providing them to the weaker section of the society, maintaining operational and buffer stock at adequate levels, and providing the food grains at reasonable prices.
Super. Good. Excellent. Now tell me, who are the important people in FCI?
Important. वैसे तो every employee is important, but talking about the
chairman का नाम बताइए.
हाँ जी, chairman sir अभी recently change हुए, वो श्री संजीव कुमार हैं. He's in additional charge.
Very good. That's right. That's why I wanted to know whether you know that. Excellent. Good. Very nice. Now, why should we select you? Sometimes questions will get repeated to test your continuity, whether you are maintaining your stand. Same question I'll be asking in different ways.
Okay, so sir, apart from the professional qualification, I am having the adaptability and commitment towards my work and dedication. I would say I have these qualities which make me eligible to handle the post.
Very good. Can you tell me how IT is nowadays used in, say, accounting?
Okay, so now we are moving towards digital India. Previously, the accounts were maintained in manual form, but in the present scenario, every company, even a smaller organization, is maintaining a software. The accounts are maintained in those softwares, which makes the things more accurate, precise, and reconciliation part becomes much easier.
Good. Now, you are a chartered accountant. Can you tell me broadly what are all the different components or departments available in FCI? You don't have to tell me their functioning. Tell me these are the different works that are going on and for which these are the departments.
Okay, so beginning from the procurement section, because our function starts from there itself, procurement, then you'll have to look for the storage of the food grains so procured, and quality control section will check whether the food grains so procured are of requisite quality or not. Then supplying those food grains to deficit states is the
supplying is known as movement.
Movement, yes. Yeah. And then the sales section.
Sales, there is a section for sales also. Okay.
And finance and IT. Finance will be handling all the payment or receipt related tasks, and IT will be handling all the software or ERP management.
That's all.
Or be
vigilance, personal purchase.
Personally.
Vigilance, personal purchase.
Okay.
Can you tell me what is vigilance?
Vigilance, sir, I think it's a kind of audit department which will be monitoring the work of all the departments.
No. Preventive vigilance is one which is aimed at avoiding, say, practice of irregular measures in the organization and to prevent corruption, etc., being eroding the organization. The Chief Vigilance Commissioner, you must know, Chief Vigilance Commissioner of India. Chief Vigilance Commissioner of India, who is the
I don't know.
Who is the present Chief Vigilance Commissioner? Sanjay Kothari.
Sanjay Kothari. Okay.
Mr. Sanjay Kothari is the Chief Vigilance Commissioner from April 25, 2020. His office is in Satarkata Bhavan GPO complex, New Delhi. He is appointed by the President of India.
Okay, sir.
Central Vigilance Commission. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Because such a big organization, where the transactions will be in huge amounts. So they will be under the supervision of the government also. Good. Ritvika, you are answering very well. Except that initially I felt you were rather fast. I don't know whether I have told you earlier also. पहले बताया आपको नहीं?
नहीं बताया सर.
अच्छा, पहले हम लोग बात किए एक बार दो बार?
नहीं सर, पहले नहीं, पहले मेल पे ही बात हुई थी.
अच्छा. We have been talking only through mail.
Yes,
पहले बार सुनते हैं. The only thing is, I think you seem to be a girl who has studied CBSC +2 and all. इसलिए आप अच्छा बात करते हैं अंग्रेजी, correct?
Maybe.
No. You studied CBSC or what?
Yes, sir. I have studied from CBSC.
हाँ, यही तो. आपको communication is excellent level, but इतना जरूरत नहीं है when you come for organizations like this. And also when you talk in English, in your own English, you are rather very fast.
Okay.
That is the only not complaint, suggestion I can give you. Otherwise, you are answering well. I have not gone into the ratio analysis and funds flow, cash flow and all that. I'm sure you can manage those questions easily.
I'll go through it once, sir. उसके बाद we'll schedule another interview for technical.
किस तारीख आपको interview है?
तो मेरा 21 को है.
21 only. Okay. तब तो और एक बार meet कर सकते हैं.
हाँ जी. उसके बाद सर मेरा 30 को कोल इंडिया का है.
ओह, कोल इंडिया भी?
हाँ जी.
अच्छा ठीक है, बाद में पढ़ लीजिए, अभी पढ़ने से तो आपको कंफ्यूज हो जाए.
हाँ जी, कोल इंडिया का तो फिर मैं उसके बाद ही स्टार्ट करूंगी, जो स्पेसिफिक कोल से रिलेटेड है वो तो 21 के बाद ही स्टार्ट करूंगी.
Very good. Today I have conducted a mock interview for a Coal India candidate. Unfortunately, it was not recorded properly, so I could not put it. Doesn't matter. You go through the website. From there only we are going to ask questions.
Okay, sir. ठीक है.
So best wishes. Any questions you have?
सर एक ड्रेस कोड का मुझे डाउट है.
Dress code. North Indian girls normally you wear chudidar, or say if it is winter you wear some pant वगैरह and whatever it is to protect yourself from cold.
इंडियन वेयर ही होता है इसमें सर. क्या फिर जैसे अभी हम प्राइवेट जॉब में इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं तो वहाँ तो कोट और वो चीजें चाहिए होती है, इसके लिए अब इंडियन वेयर चाहिए या ये शर्ट ट्राउजर चलती है?
No, you can wear a shirt and all that. Nothing wrong. Because interview is going to be in Delhi only. And Delhi is a place, it's a cosmopolitan where everything is allowed. And you try to present yourself as a courageous girl.
Okay, ठीक है sir.
Could you understand? No, but I am telling this because you are not from Delhi, because you are from suburb area. Possibly, I'm not sure whether you're to that extent dynamic like those girls. Pata nahi. If you have some girls friends in Delhi, check up with them.
Okay, sir.
Or otherwise, I can just give you the number of Pari Sharma, who has joined Union Bank recently as a law officer. She's also from Delhi.
Okay.
If necessary, I can give the number so that you can talk to her and try to know about the dress code that is expected.
Okay, sir.
Because she is very much in Delhi.
Okay, she's posted in Delhi also.
No, she is from Delhi, posted in Delhi.
Okay, that's quite nice.
So that's what it is. So very nice. Confidence level is very good.
Thank you, sir. I was very afraid before talking to you. I was very anxious.
No, you are communicating very, very well. And only thing is, regarding technical subjects, possibly if there are some chartered accountants sitting in the board, they may ask you some questions.
Okay, sir.
Apart from that, the general questions you are aware, and I have given you a list of questions. Now, questions that are asked to people. That link you are having, na?
Yes, sir. I'm having that link.
That 35 or 40 questions.
Yeah,
but only thing is it is simply repetitive of nature only. फिर भी उसमें से जो आपको they appear to be easy, but उधर जाने से थोड़ा तकलीफ हो जाएगा. In fact, I gave you another thing also as FCI chartered accountant interview. वो भी है आपके पास?
एक सर आपने लिंक शेयर किया था.
हाँ, लिंक शेयर किया, उसमें आए. What is your critical aspects in finalization of accounts in our industry? What is your take on challenges posed by GST and TDS amendments? How the industry will perform under COVID-19? Which is important, whether cash flow planning or budgeting, and why is it important? How do you view the compliance as a cost in current scenario? Likewise, simple questions, okay?
Okay, sir.
But ये सबको you can manage very well.
I'll go through these questions and prepare these at least.
Yeah, and I suggest I will forward this to you as an attachment also. If you have not seen that earlier, आप देख लीजिए. I think I posted one recently, one FCI link also. उसको भेजेगा आपको.
ठीक है sir. Okay, please.
Very good. Best wishes. You are doing very well.
Thank you, sir.
Minimum will be 7.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Because I have not gone into the technical aspects. So some ratio analysis, vagera.
Okay, we'll schedule another interview for that on Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah, you have to come and tell me what is debtor service coverage ratio, what is this ratio, that ratio.
Okay, sir.
Simply, and then what is fund flow, what is cash flow.
और सर कुछ वो एक दो सब्जेक्ट्स मैंने अपने सीवी में मेंशन किया जिसमें एग्जाम्पशन थी सीए फाइनल में, तो वो प्रिपेयर कर लूंगी, कुछ फॉर्मूलाज वगैरह जो थे सब्जेक्ट्स में.
Yeah, good. Prepare yourself so that you can answer them very well. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.